Welcome back friends on my channel Excelairlines619. Myself Mohammad Wasim. In this tutorial I am going to teach you how to change the column position from one place to another place. Viewers, this is my data table. In this data table you can able to see that the serial number column not in proper place, name column, gender and so on. These columns are not properly arranged. Okay, so mostly people will do like this. They add the new column like this, right click, insert new. Okay, serial number, select, right click, cut or copy, right click and paste like this. Mostly people will do like this, but if you have n number of column, in that scenario you can't do this. I will show you one shortcut method. With the help of numerical numbers you can change the column. Above on header, this is your table, this is your headers. Above, for example, this is our serial number column. I want on this column, B column. So I will add here 1. 1 is nothing but this column should be on first column. Okay, second name column I want on second position. Okay, second, third gender and fourth roll number. Okay, fifth I want English, 6 maths, 7 science and 8 social, and lastly 9 should be Hindi. Okay, I increase the size of this numerical numbers. So now select these numerical numbers with your whole data. Okay, click on data tab and choose sort option. Now click on option. This option always should be select. Okay, sort from left to right. Okay, click OK. From here sort by. So these are rows. I want row number 2 because this is our row number 2. Okay, and select the option order wise, smallest to largest. This is our smallest number. Okay, and click on OK. See, all column position has been changed according to the numerical number wise. Now select your column and double click it. Okay, now delete this numerical number. That's all. I hope viewers you have understood this tutorial. I will meet you in next tutorial with new topic. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Wasim is signing off.